Hello audience, welcome to new another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to play on two accounts at once on Roblox Mobile. Okay, let's start. Follow my whole step. At first, go to Play Store. Now search. Now search clone application. Update your clone application. My clone application already updated. Now click open. Now select your now clone apps. Select add now Roblox. Now sign in at your account. Now your account login. Now click gameplay. Hello. Stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything, it's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. Now your gameplay. Now pop up. By doing process, you can successfully your two accounts use multiple into one account as